Hey guys, Luis here. I just received this package. It's a COVID test that we can do it by ourselves. This one was sent to us because my flatmate was diagnosed with COVID-19. So since we are on the NHS app, they send us a message and ask us if I have any symptoms, and then they can send us a test for us to know if we are also with COVID. We still don't know if we are with COVID or not. So I'm going to open this for you and to see what is inside and how can we do the test. And it's a way to understand better the health system here, that they can take care of us even when we are isolated, we are doing the quarantine and we are not going outside to do anything. They send us a message demanding from us to stay inside for a certain period of days. So I'm going to stay inside during this period, and together we are going to see if I am or not with COVID-19 also. Okay, so here we go. Here are two tests, one for me, one for my girlfriend, and I'm gonna see now the instructions and how to do this in order to get self-tested. This was an option that was due for us because the other one was to go to a place to get tested, but it was very far away, 8 miles, so we couldn't go because we don't have a car. So let's check it. I only open one to avoid any problems. So here, this is a package for you to send it to them after you do the test. Biological substance, category B, so they alert people from mail that this is a test. Also inside there is a swab, so for you can put it inside your nose or mouth. Let's see which way it will go. This is a swab test to check if you have coronavirus now. We have to put your name here, okay? I'll read the instructions and then show it to you guys later on how it's gonna be, okay? Not easy. So I called the number on the website to see what do we need to do now with the box, and they said that we can go quickly to the mailbox and come back. So just gonna go there, drop the box, and then just come back home. So I'm recording this a few weeks after I got this result, but the next few weeks were really complicated for me when I got the symptoms, when the symptoms hit me really hard. So I've had high fever, I had a really painful sore throat. I was living almost on a daily basis on lozenges. I felt a really strange pressure here in my chest. I was completely useless. I couldn't get out of my bed, and I was depending on my girlfriend to bring me food and also medicine. But after a few days, she also got sick, so it was my time to help her. But luckily for both of us, she had only mild symptoms. So what can I take from this experience? Well, COVID-19 is definitely not a simple disease. It can be harsh even if you have mild symptoms. I still feel some pain in my joints, and I have a fatigue that is definitely not normal for me. So I hope that this video was of any help to you, and if you feel anything, if you feel any of these symptoms, please contact your local healthcare units and go get tested. And the most important thing of all, be safe and keep protecting your family and friends. Wear a mask when you go outside and avoid crowds anytime you can. And go get a jab when it's your turn. It's a safe vaccine, and you've been doing this since you were a child, so there is no reason for you not to get a vaccine. If you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. It will help me to continue making videos to you. Thank you for watching. Until next time.